Hello, I hope you're having an amazing day. This is the Logan Paul BITMOJI, and of course, Logan Paul BITMOJI. If you don't know who Logan Paul is, you've been living under a rock if you're under the age of 25. He is a controversial YouTuber and mega multi-millionaire YouTuber who recently started a little podcast called Impulsive. Yes, of course. Now, Impulsive is the #1 podcast in the world according to evidence and statistical facts. Before I start, now that I started this video, as you can see, I went straight for the hair and head accessories. Now, I had some trouble getting a hat that fit Mr. Logan Paul's head, because let's be honest, he does have a rather large head. But his hair's a different story. His hair is just too shaggy, and of course it's blonde. So I had some trouble finding some hats that would fit his head, and yeah, I had a lot of trouble. Tried different ones, tried the snapbacks, I tried the normal caps, I even tried a little bow, and you could probably see here because I was that desperate for something to fit on his head. See, right there, and unfortunately it wouldn't work. Actually, I should have tried that one, even though it still didn't fit his head. So you know what I had to do? I had to take certain precautions, and I had to take some things into my own hands. For example, I had to change his hairstyle, as you'd probably see very shortly. No hydrate facial hair, pellet facial hair treatment. Of course, we do need a bit of that blonde look on the exterior of his hair. The interior is just sublime, but we carry on. Like I said, I did that for the blonde interior. Brilliant, simply lovely. We then move straight onto we looked at the right hair for him, and I decided to go for it. Just decided to tuck it in a little bit. Still is that messy look, has that messy effect, but what I did was decided just to tuck it in a little bit and make it a little bit neater. As you can see, I then went straight to the clothes. Of course, he does have a beard as well. I went to the body type, and Logan has a very, not large body figure, but a very hench, broad body figure. I then decided to put on some clothes for him. Now, anything does suit him, but it's summer, and if you've not been watching the podcast recently, he is mostly in short sleeves, and he even tried to go a little bit out of his comfort zone until his editor, who said that the shirt didn't look too great on camera, so he had to change it, which is completely understandable. So I just presumed that it was the normal summer look, and I did try my luck with the denim. As you'll probably see, obviously we've got the Hollister. Now, I did have on these videos that I do have some people asking me questions about, how do you find these styles? How does it suit them? Well, at certain seasons, at certain times, Snapchat knows when it's summer, winter, or even autumn, and gives you a large array of clothing. But we carry on, and we finally got the finished product. Please do subscribe for more videos if you like this video. Bye bye.